All right, so this next one's all about making sure that our sentences begin consistently. And essentially, that just means that we're using a consistent pattern, a repetition for how we start our sentences. So when the sentences begin with a similar or same way, it's going to create a clear and parallel structure throughout our writing. I know it's a small thing, but it makes a big difference, and it's a really simple prompt here in AI Assistant. So maintaining consistency. All right, so here maintain consistency in sentence beginnings to ensure clear and parallel structure. Come on down here to our example. Let's see what we have here. We have knowing the available technologies, and then the next one, to make, right? And then it's also important to adapt. So we have not the most consistent sentence beginnings. Let's go ahead and duplicate this, apply that prompt, and it'll make that change. And again, these are all pretty straightforward, but I really just want to reinforce that you have that open prompt here in AI Assistant, and you can tell it to do what you want it to do for structuring your writing or editing your writing, right? So we have knowing, and that should be making, of course, and then adapting. So there's a really quick edit, but again, that consistency and how our sentences begin just makes it easier for learners to read as well as comprehend.